going on, everyone? A while ago I posted a video of my Krakty systems and the small plants that I had in them, and yesterday I was in here working in the grow room and I realized that these plants have just went berserk. So I figured I'd go ahead and pull them out of the room and give you guys kind of an update of where these are, because they are not even the same plants that I posted last time. So stick around and show you guys what I got now. Okay, here we are. I've got the plants out here in the living room now, kind of spaced out so we can see them a little bit better. I apologize if it's a little bit loud today. Our air conditioning is out and they gave us some portable units that are just so loud. We're doing everything we can to keep this place under 85. Let's go ahead and get started. Definitely plants have just started to, here we go. Plants have just started to take off. I think this is a black panther. No, this is the purple ghost scorpion. This one probably got the slowest start, but it's now starting to take off pretty well. There's no pods or anything forming or no flowers coming off or anything like that, but still coming out pretty good now. Jay's peach ghost scorpion is doing really well. Got some flowers coming off. Hopefully we have pods coming shortly. Mad Hatter. This one, all the big leaves on it weren't doing too hot, so I pulled all the big leaves off and started to take off really well. So no flowers or anything on this one, but it is a pretty good sized plant. Bleeding Borg 9, just nice and short, squat, compact plant. So far, no flowers or anything yet. Alright, here we are, 7-pot brain strain. It's got some flowers coming in now, and overall it's been a really healthy plant. Finally started to Y right there. I didn't top it or anything like that. Alright, so here is the white ghost. Got a bunch of flowers coming off on this one now. Kind of all over the place. So, tons of flowers. Hopefully we get some pods on this one soon. Boot Jalokia. This one branched out really well. Don't think there's any flowers on this one yet though. No flowers on this one yet. And then there's this one, which is just super lanky. I didn't top it or anything like that. This is the Black Panther. It's almost starting to get too heavy on the top. It's starting to lean a little bit, but no flowers on that one yet. Just a super tall, huge plant, especially for the size that it's in. One thing I want to note that I did differently this year than I did last year is I didn't top any of the plants this year, and I definitely did see a difference. So especially Black Panther, as you can see, just super tall, lanky. There's not a lot of branches in here. It's just kind of leaves here and there. Same thing with, which one was it? Yep. Same thing with the 7-pot brain strain here. Yes, it looks like a nice bushy plant, but if you get down and look closely right now, really it's just a bunch of big leaves. So next time I'll probably stick to my topping regimen. Overall, I'm happy with how these guys are turning out. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm doing with their nutrients right now. So they're getting the Flora Grow series, and when I made my video, I'm pretty sure I was doing 1 teaspoon per gallon for each of them. Right now, I'm down here on the transition to bloom, so that way I can get them to start putting out some flowers. Instead of doing 2 teaspoons per gallon, I'm actually closer to about 1.5 for all 3 of the nutrients in the Flora Grow series, or in the Flora series. What I'm also doing is hitting them with some CalMag here and there, and normally I'm doing about 3 milliliters per every gallon of that. One more quick thing I wanted to show you guys before we're done here is I wanted to show you guys the root systems on some of these because they are just out of control. So you got a bunch of the air roots that are coming out, a little bit fuzzy, and then the roots that are down there getting the nutrients. So let's look at a couple more here. Just crazy root systems. It's one of my favorite things about growing Krakty is being able to watch those root systems grow, because it's pretty wild seeing the two different types of roots that come out. Here in the next week or so I'll get an update about what's going on with the rest of this stuff. This room's getting pretty full up. I'm also going to be doing a gallon grow series where I show you guys everything you need to know on how to grow peppers in 1 gallon containers. Alright, now I gotta get out of here before I boil alive.